Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 25 June 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 3 and name of the chapter is Plant Life, Parts of a Plant. So student, take out your books, because student you have to complete books exercise in book only. In class work copy you will write question answer of the chapter and you will draw the diagram in your class work copy. Is it clear? So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video, what are the uses of the flower? I discussed this thing with you. What are the uses of a flower? And after that we discuss keywords of the chapter. We discuss keywords of the chapter and things to remember. So these are the very important point. This is a complete summary of the chapter. Okay. So now in today video we will start the book exercises of the chapter. So all of you open page number 22. All of you open page number 22. We will start with the first question, that is question number A. Tick the correct answer. So let's start with the first question. Plants make their food plants make their food in the dash. So options are stem, option B leaves, option C fruits, and option D root. Now see student, first question, plant make their food in the, as in the beginning of the chapter I explained you different parts of the plant and even I explained you what are the function of these parts in the plants. So now question arises, plants make their food in the stem. So no, stem is not a right answer, because roots and root absorb water and mineral and they carry this to the, or they passes it to the stem, and then stem pass these pass water and mineral to all parts of the plant. So stem is not the right answer. Fruit is also not a right answer, because plant prepare their own food. Is it clear? So they are preparing the food, that is the reason fruit is also not a right answer. Then root is not a right answer, because the function of the root is to absorb water and mineral and then it send to the stem, and then stem distribute this water to all parts of the plants. Okay, now option number B, yes, this is the right answer, that is leaves. Okay, so plant make their food in the leaves. That is the reason also, student, leaves are known as a food factory of the plant, because leaves can leaf is that part of the plant which prepare food for the plant. Root and water, that is absorbed by the water and minerals, that is absorbed by the root, and then from the stem it goes to the leaves. Okay, and as we know that the color of the leaves is green due to the presence of a green pigment known as a chlorophyll. And chlorophyll, due to the, what is the role of the chlorophyll? Chlorophyll absorb the sunlight. Okay, they absorb the sunlight, and at the time of preparation of food they also need carbon dioxide. So tiny pore present on the leaves, from this tiny pores exchange of gases take place. Carbon dioxide is used by the leaves and oxygen is released. Is it clear? And oxygen is released, and this energy of food is stored in the form of a glucose, or you can also say starch. Okay, so and this full process is known as photosynthesis, in which leaves prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, roots, chlorophyll, water and carbon dioxide. They use carbon dioxide and water, and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, because chlorophyll absorb the sunlight. Okay, so plants make their food in the leaves, so leaf is the right answer. Question number 2. Some leaves. Question number 2. Some leaves. Some leaves which store extra food in them. Are option A, mango, B, mint, C, banyan, and D, neem. So see student, some leaves which store extra food. What does it mean? It means that the leaves which store extra food, we eat that leaves also. आप लोग बहुत तरह के साग सब्जियां खाते हो ना, साग खाते हो ना, तो वो लीव्स ही होती हैं जिसको आपकी मम्मी लोग कुक करते हैं और आप लोग खाते हो. So question, meaning of the question is that some leaves which store extra food in them and we eat the leaves. So we eat mango leaves? No, this is not a right answer, because mango में क्या होता है, mango trees they having fruit, and this time this is the season of mango. ठीक है, इस समय मैंगो का ही सीजन चल रहा है ना, तो मैंगो ट्री से आपको क्या मिलता है, फ्रूट मिलता है. इज इट क्लियर? banyan tree, we don't eat the leaves of the banyan tree, that is also not a right answer. Neem is a medicinal plant. Okay, lot of uses are of these neem plant, but we don't eat leaves of the neem as a food. ठीक है, as a food हम we don't eat the leaves of the neem. So, and now what is left? Mint. Yes, mint is the right answer, जिसको आप लोग पुदीना बोलते हैं. पुदीने की चटनी बहुत अच्छी बनती है. ठीक है. सो मिंट इज द राइट आंसर. ठीक है. मिंट होता, कैबेज भी होती, जो बंद गोभी होती है, जिसको हम लोग खाते हैं, एज ए रा भी खाते हैं और एज ए कुक करके भी खाते हैं. ठीक है. तो सम लीव्स, कुछ लीव ऐसी होती हैं जिनको हम ईट करते हैं. सो वाई? बिकॉज दे स्टोर एक्स्ट्रा फूड इन देम. सो दैट इज द मिंट. आई स्टाइलिश हो गया रे. Mint. Third question, we eat stems of dash. Third question, we eat stem. We eat stem of dash. So option number A, cabbage. B, carrot. C is the ginger. And D is the wheat. Okay. Now see student, what is the meaning of the question? We eat stem. So food is also stored in the roots also. Food, some of the food is stored in the stem of the plant also, and some of the food is stored in the roots of the plants also. Okay. So cabbage is not a right answer because cabbage is a leaf. ठीक है. Some plant store extra food in the leaves and we eat leaves of the plant. So cabbage is not a right answer. Carrot is also not a right answer because it is a special type of a root. Here the food is stored in the root, and these types of roots are known as tuberous root. When I am explaining you the chapter, at that time I already explained you there are some special types of root which store some extra food. Is it clear? So carrot is a root. This is which part of the plant we eat? That is the root part, and these types of roots are known as tuberous root. Next is the wheat. Wheat is also not a stem because wheat is the seed. We eat seed of many plants. Is it clear? So the wheat is what? Wheat is the seed of the plant which we eat. आप लोग ने थर्ड में पढ़ा होगा, गिव द नेम्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स, या फोर्थ में भी आएगा ईटेबल सीड्स, जिसकी सीड्स हम लोग ईट करते हैं, ईट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. राइस है, व्हीट है, पल्सेस है, इन सब की हम लोग बेटा क्या खाते हैं? सीड्स खाते हैं. ओके. सो जिंजर इज द राइट आंसर. वी ईट स्टेम ऑफ ए जिंजर, जिसको आप लोग अदरक बोलते हो. ठीक है. इसे हिंदी में आप लोग क्या बोलते हो? अदरक बोलते हो. ठीक है. इट इज ए अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम. ठीक है. पोटैटो जिंजर कैसी स्टेम है? अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम है. ये सॉइल में आपको मिलते हैं. ठीक है. लेकिन ये हैं क्या? स्टेम है. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, राइस प्लांट्स हैव. Fourth question, rice plants have dash. Option number A, right. Rice plants have tap roots. B, storage roots. C, aerial roots. And D, fibrous root. So, see student, rice plant. Now in this question we have to tell, when I am explaining about the types of a root, at that time I explained you 4 types of roots, that is tap root, fibrous root, and some special roots which we say as a tuberous roots and aerial roots. Okay, now we have to tell plant rice having which type of a root. So tap root is not a right answer. Tap root is a find in a tall and big plants, that is known as trees. Okay, tap root is found in a tall and big plant, that is known as trees, because they taproot, in taproot there is a main root which goes very deep, and from this main root many branch roots come out. So taproot is not a right answer. Storage root, this is also not a storage root. Some root are special because they can store the food. So such a roots are known as tuberous root. It means we are getting food in the roots of the plants. Okay. C, option number C, aerial roots. So aerial root is also not a right answer, because banyan tree you will see or you will observe in the banyan tree, जिसको बरगद का पेड़ आप लोग बोलते हो बेटा, the roots hang from the branches of the tree. It is moving towards the ground but not in the soil. ठीक है, रूट्स क्या हैंगिंग तुम्हें पोजीशन में दिखेंगी. ठीक है, एंड इट मूव्स towards the ground, not in the soil. That type of roots are known as aerial root. Now last one is the fibrous root. Yes, this is the right answer, fibrous root. Rice plant have fibrous root. What type of root is fibrous? With the main stem you will see, with the base of the stem, not main, from the base of the stem you will see many roots of a same size spread in all the direction. From the base of the stem you will observe that roots of the same size, they spread in all the direction, that is they are known as fibrous root. So fibrous root is the right answer. Next, tiny pores on the surface of leaves are called it. Tiny pores. Fifth one, tiny pores on the surface of leaves are called it. Option A, stomata. Blade, trunk, and storage. So tiny pores on the what it is asking in the question, you will see that you will observe that in the leaves there are tiny pores. Okay, so what was the name of these tiny pores? That is asked in this question. So blade is not a right answer because the thin flat broad part of the leaf, ठीक है, जो आपको लीफ देखने, किसी प्लांट की आप लीफ देखते हो, जो थिन फ्लैट ब्रॉड पार्ट ऑफ ए लीफ होता है उसको ब्लेड बोलते हैं, लीफ ब्लेड, और लेमिना भी बोल सकते हो आप. इज इट क्लियर? दिस आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू व्हेन आई टीच यू स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ए लीफ. सेकंड ट्रंक, दिस इज आल्सो नॉट ए राइट आंसर. देखो सारे जितने भी प्लांट्स होते हैं उनकी स्टेम को, उनके जो स्टेम होती है, लेकिन जो बिग टॉल ट्रीज होती हैं तो उसमें स्टेम नहीं बोल के उसकी जगह हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं, ट्रंक बोलते हैं, ट्रंक ऑफ द ट्री. ठीक है, अदर जिसमें भी हर्ब है, शब्स है, क्रीपर्स हैं, क्लाइंबर्स हैं, इसमें हम सब स्टेम वर्ड यूज करते हैं. बट फॉर द बिग ट्रीज whose stem is very thicky, woody and hard, so we use the word trunk. Storage भी नहीं right answer है. Is it clear? So what is the right answer? That is stomata. Surface of leaves, tiny pores on the surface of leaves are called as stomata. Is called as stomata because from these tiny pores, so what happens? These are the exchange center of the gases. At the time plant prepare their food, they need carbon dioxide. So from these pores, tiny pores, they take carbon dioxide, and the same time during the process of photosynthesis they release oxygen from these tiny pores, and this is living gas of animals and human beings. So we get oxygen, that is the reason we get oxygen from the plant. So note down this in your book. Now question number B. Question number B. Question number B, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First question. The part of a plant, the part of a plant, the part of a plant that contains the seed is called it, the part of a plant that contain seed is called it dash. So student, seed is a very important part of the plant because from this seed the new plants or baby plant grow. Is it clear? Seed is the very important part of the plant because from this seeds new plants grow, plant reproduce. Okay, plant reproduce through the seeds. Now it is asked in this question, you have seen many parts of the plant, all parts of the plant I have already explained you in the beginning of the chapter. Now in this question it is asked where the seed is, which part of a plant contains the seed, where you will find seed in the plants. When you explain part of a plant, then I explain you shoot system, leaves, branches, root, sorry not root, root is a part of a shoot system, stem, branches, leaf, birds, flower, fruits. Okay, so out of these part, in which part contains the seed? That is the fruit. When you eat fruit, at that time when you cut the fruit, you will see seeds inside the fruit. So the part of plant that contains seed is called it, answer is fruit. Next question, carrot and radish have dash root. Carrot and radish, carrot and radish, okay, have, carrot and radish have dash, have dash roots. So when I explain you the functions, okay, when I explain you the function of the roots, okay, when I explain you about the special roots, okay, so at that time I told you that some of the plant store food in them. So some of the roots of the plant, some of the roots, some plants store food in the roots. कुछ ऐसे प्लांट्स होते हैं, स्पेशल प्लांट्स, जो अपने रूट्स में फूड को स्टोर कर लेते हैं. सो सच टाइप ऑफ रूट्स आर नोन एज ट्यूबरस रूट्स. ट्यूबरस रूट. नेक्स्ट है dash are the food factory of plants. Dash are the food, dash are the food factory of plants. So see, so that is the reason in the beginning of the chapter, the first thing which I explained you, that I draw the plant and I explain you the shoot and root system, because all the question which is asked in the fill in the blanks part, they are from the parts of a plant. That is the reason in the beginning of the chapter, when I start you teaching that chapter, the first thing which explanation I have given you, that I draw a plant and I show you what are the parts of a plant. These are the food factory of plants. So that is what? Leaves. Leaves are the food factory of plants, because leaves are green in color due to the presence of a pigment that is known as chlorophyll. Okay, and this chlorophyll absorb the sunlight, and in the process of photosynthesis, water and carbon dioxide is also required. So for the carbon dioxide, there are tiny pores on the leaves, so that is known as stomata. So from here the leaves used carbon dioxide at the time when they prepare the food, and they release oxygen, and root absorb water and mineral, they pass to the stem, and then stem pass this to the leaves. So that is the reason the leaves of the plant, they prepare food for the plant, and that is the reason leaves are known as the food factory of a plant. And student, this preparation of a leaves, this preparation of a food by the leaf, this is known as photosynthesis. The preparation of a food by the leaves by using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, that is known as photosynthesis. Thank you student. We will continue this book exercise in the next video.